What's up, everybody? Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to talk about the switch function. If you've been enjoying the content, hit that subscribe button and come on back for more. We're covering functions all day long. So right here, what we want to do is in a report we get, let's say it's this. We could have a bunch of lines. We've got 30 here. We have this data. It's formatted like this. We don't want it that way for whatever reason. Maybe it can't be that way. We want it to say the entire name of a certain entity. So we have our basic lookup value here, or table. It's a reference. You could do a VLOOKUP, anything like that, but if you don't want to, and there's always problems with different lookup functions, switch is a great alternative. What we'll do here, this might look intimidating, it's not. You just go like this when you break it down. We'll hit our F2, it'll show us what looks it up. All we're doing is taking this value right here, comma, then you type in what the value you want to switch for. So I want to switch out North Las or NLV, put it in quotation marks because it's text, comma, and pick what you want it to be. We click there. Then the next one, LV, any of those, will be right here. And so on, we just go down the list. And we write it in once, and it works. Switch. We want to find this value, and we're going to leave it just, we click it, we don't hit F4, no dollar sign, so it's going to move down as we hit it to the next cell, comma. The value we want to get rid of, let's start over here, NLV, quotation marks, NLV, close them, hit a comma, and what do we want it to show? This. Now we want it to stay there, so we'll hit F4 just so it locks it. That way as we go down here, this will still pull this value. Next one, it's going to be LV, quotation marks, LV, comma, right there, F4. Third one, quotation marks, HEN, period, quotation marks, and then F4. Third one, or I should say a fourth one, CC, quotation marks, don't forget those, comma, show me that value, comma, and again, BC, show me Boulder City, F4, comma, quotation marks, MESQ, period, quotation marks, comma, and show me Mesquite, F4, close it up, and there it is. And then the beautiful thing, after you've written that in, there's no need to do it all over. You can do one of two things. First, you can hit Control-C, copy it, or right-click, copy, and you can paste it, or you can do Control-V. Now the easiest way, you just go here, click on this little knob on the bottom right, click, click, voila, you're done. Next report you have, hey, it comes in, you have the thing coded in. Let's say it's over here, there's only, 6 of them. Copy, Control-C, paste the new report in, boom, boom, you're done. You've essentially coded your data and sorted it in a very quick and efficient way. And every time you get that report, that same data set, you're good to go from now on. Thanks for watching. See you next time.